Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max was supposed to be the crown jewel of 2025, the perfect fusion of luxury, design, and cutting-edge performance. But now, it's at the center of a controversy that's taking the internet by storm. The Cosmic Orange Edition, once praised for its bold and premium finish, is fading into an entirely different color, pink. Users around the world are posting images of their expensive new iPhones losing their vibrant orange glow, raising serious concerns about Apple's design process and build quality. From Reddit threads to YouTube reviews, the reports keep piling up, and Apple's silence is only adding fuel to fire. Today, we'll explore what's happening, why it's happening, and whether you should be worried about your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So, grab your charger and let's dive deep into this breaking Apple story, only on TechVerse. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange has gone viral for all the wrong reasons, as users across social media platforms like Reddit, X, and YouTube are reporting a bizarre and unexpected problem. The luxurious orange finish is slowly fading into a light pink or rose gold tone after only a few weeks of use, sparking frustration among early adopters and raising questions about Apple's quality control standards. The issue first surfaced just days after the model's release, when users noticed that the anodized titanium frame, which give the phone its signature metallic sheen, appeared to lose color unevenly, particularly around the edges and near buttons, suggesting that the anodization process may not be holding up under regular daily conditions. For those unaware, anodization is a process used to strengthen metal surfaces and add color, but when applied to titanium, it can sometimes react unpredictably to moisture, oils, or friction, leading to fading or discoloration. According to early reports, environmental factors like humidity, skin contact, and exposure to UV light could be accelerating the fading, leaving many owners disappointed that their premium $1,200 smartphone looks drastically different within a month of purchase. Apple has not yet issued an official response or recall, leaving users confused and unsure whether the issue is cosmetic or indicative of deeper flaws in the material coating. Some users claim that the discoloration begins as subtle streaks near the edges, eventually spreading across the frame until the once bright orange becomes a dull, pinkish hue, resembling Apple's rose gold finish from years past. Others, however, report that their units remain pristine, suggesting possible inconsistencies in manufacturing batches or regional environmental conditions that affect the anodization stability. Beyond color issues, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is also facing mounting complaints about scratches on its back glass and even bending under pressure, a worrying echo of Apple's older Bendgate controversy. While the titanium frame is meant to be lighter yet stronger than stainless steel, users are sharing photos of scuffed camera rings and chipped frames after minimal use, questioning whether Apple's new materials were tested thoroughly enough before launch. Some users report no issues at all, further complicating the narrative and pointing toward potential quality control discrepancies. Independent durability tests conducted by multiple reviewers show mixed outcomes. Some iPhones survive drops and daily wear flawlessly, while others exhibit fading or fine scratches even when used with protective cases. Experts suggest that the fading could stem from microscopic flaws in the titanium surface or an uneven application of the anodized layer during production. Interestingly, a few users noted that cleaning the frame with certain solvents seems to worsen the fading, indicating that the outer protective layer may be more delicate than expected. This inconsistency has driven speculation that specific production batches may be more prone to fading due to slight variations in temperature, chemical mixtures, or curing times during the coating process. The controversy highlights how Apple's bold color experimentation might be clashing with real-world durability. Meanwhile, the online community has become a hub for frustrated users sharing their experiences and photos of faded units, with posts gaining thousands of upvotes and sparking debates about whether Apple should issue replacements or refunds. Many iPhone 17 Pro Max owners have taken to documenting their fading devices in detail, uploading close-up videos, timestamp photos, and even side-by-side comparisons to demonstrate the severity of the color change. Some claim Apple stores have dismissed the issue as cosmetic wear and tear, while others have reportedly received replacement units, further proving the inconsistency in how Apple is handling these complaints globally. In tech forums, users have theorized several possible causes. chemical reactions with hand lotions or sweat, UV exposure breaking down the pigment, or even subtle electrochemical reactions between titanium and the anodized dye layer. Regardless of the root cause, what's clear is that Apple's design decision to offer such a bold metallic hue may have backfired, as durability is now being questioned more than ever, beyond fading. Users are also noticing micro scratches forming on the matte glass back, especially around the Apple logo and camera housing. Even though titanium is tougher than aluminum, it's not immune to abrasions. And when combined with a glass back, the result is a phone that looks luxurious but may not age gracefully without a sturdy case. Some users even reported mild frame flexing when applying pressure near the SIM tray area, although these reports remain rare. The controversy has reignited conversations about Apple's priorities, design innovation versus long-term reliability. While Apple has always marketed its Pro Max series as premium and durable, the iPhone 17 Pro Max's cosmetic issues are undermining that image, especially since this model represents the third generation of titanium iPhones. Apple's silence on the matter is making things worse. The company has yet to officially acknowledge the problem or announce any replacement policy for affected users. This lack of communication has pushed many owners to band together online, encouraging others to document and share their experiences to amplify visibility. Consumer advocates argue that Apple should issue a statement clarifying whether the fading impacts only appearance or if it signals deeper material flaws. For now, experts recommend that users experiencing fading or discoloration immediately take detailed photos and videos, contact Apple support, and request a service evaluation. Cleaning the titanium frame only with microfiber cloths and avoiding chemical-based cleaners may also help preserve its current color. Tech analysts believe that Apple's upcoming production runs may include subtle adjustments to the anodization formula, potentially resolving the issue for future buyers. In the meantime, this controversy serves as a cautionary tale for users and manufacturers alike, proving that even the most advanced materials can face real-world challenges. As this story unfolds, one thing remains certain. The cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max has made waves not for its cutting-edge A19 Pro chip or stunning camera system, but for an unintentional color transformation that no one saw coming. Until Apple issues an official statement, users are left with one big question. Can a $1,200 flagship phone really justify its price if its color doesn't even stay consistent? Share your experience if you've noticed similar issues, and stay tuned as we track Apple's next move in this developing story. Because here at TechVerse, we don't just report the news, we break it down so you can make smarter tech decisions. If you own the iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange, document every detail, avoid harsh cleaners, and report your issue to Apple support. And if you haven't bought yet, consider waiting until Apple clarifies the situation or fixes the coding flaw. Stay informed, stay tech smart, and as always, keep watching TechVerse, your trusted source of the latest tech updates and real-world reviews.